Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to scan QR code on Android in 2025. Let's begin. Now, many Android phones in 2025 have built-in option for scanning QR codes right in their camera application. However, sometimes they do not have this option. Then, luckily, you do not need another application like QR scanner from Google Play Store. Of course, you could potentially download such an application, but it is not necessary, thanks to our Google bar here at the bottom. If you don't have this Google bar on your home screen, you can always add this widget by simply pressing and holding on your main homepage and then going into widgets, then finding our Chrome or Google widgets, and I would advise you to pick this one. We do want this button because we need this little camera icon here. Once we click on it, we'll go with Google Lenses. Okay, let's go with open camera. And as you can see now in the Google Lenses, we can search for something. And whenever we take a photo using this application of a QR code, we'll be able to simply click on the link that will appear, and this way we'll be able to scan a QR code successfully. Of course, I cannot really show it to you since I don't have a QR code on me, but Google Lens is a really useful application and I would advise it to any Android user in 2025. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.